Hello everyone and our lecturer, Puan Mazia binti Malik. Today, I and my group member would like to make a presentation on the elementary mathematics course. Today, we want to present about the uses of trigonometry in real life. My group has chosen the uses of trigonometry in architecture, that is the construction of bridge. Well, before we start the presentation, I will introduce myself and our group member. My name is Nur Najwana Jiha binti Amran. Number matric 01DSP21F2061. Second, Nur Shazwani Safar binti Mat Mahali. Number matric 01DSP21F2060. Third, Nur Hafizah binti Muhammad Zudi. Number matric 01DSP21F2031. And the last one, Tayalan anak lelaki Lecuman 01DSP21F2048. I will start by explaining about the definition of trigonometry. Well, first of all, you need to know what is trigonometry. Trigonometry is a word of Greek origin that is trigonon, triangle or triangle and measure. When combined it becomes one word, that is trigonometry. Trigonometry is also a branch of mathematics concerned with angle, triangle, and trigonometric functions such as sine, cosine, and tangent. This branch has little to do with geometry, although there are differences of opinion as to what exactly their relationship are. This is formula of sin, cos, tangent, and sec, cos, sec, cot.
Hello, my name is Nur Shazwani Safar binti Mat Mahali and my matric number is 01DSP1F2060. Next, application in the field of bridge architecture. First, to measure the length, width, and height of a bridge. Second, using the right angles and tangent to determine the area of the river before building the bridge. And the last one, can determine the length and width of the bridge to be built.
Hi guys, my name is Thailand Richmond. My matrix number is 01DSP21F2048. Today I'm here to give an example and I want to elaborate some solution for a trigonometry question. We have one question about one bridge. There is a drawing bridge. Based on the picture above, find the angle A. So the question is find the angle A. Now I'm going to teach how about the mathematical solution for this question. So now we are going to see mathematical solution in architecture bridge. Triangle, first of all we must draw the triangle with the angle based on the drawing. Triangle problem solving uses sine rules. The sine rules is an important rule relating to the sides and angle of any triangle. Solution. The opposite over the angle is 14. So 14 over sine, the angle is 90 degree, equals to adjacent is 8. So over sine A, because the angle of adjacent is 0, we don't know the angle. So sine A equals to 8 sine 90 degree over 14. Sine A equals to, the answer is 0.5714. A equals to sine -2 0.5714. So the last answer we get is 34.848 degree. So the angle A is 34.848 degree.
Hello, before I start my presentation for a conclusion, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nur Hafizah binti Muhammad Zudi. My number matrix is 101DSP21F2031.
I'm from the SB1B. So I start with my first point. Trigonometry is important in bridge construction uses. Why? Triangles evenly distribute weight from any direction when applied correctly. Using trigonometry to solve bridge-related problems, you can determine how much force will be applied to the joints between the triangles and which direction. Besides that, simplifies the process of measuring the length and height of bridges. And lastly, our last point is concepts and techniques in trigonometry need to be understood and utilized. I can give the examples. Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics that deals with the relationships between ratios of the sides of a right-angled triangle with its angles. The ratios used to study this relationship are called trigonometric ratios, namely sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant.
The first question, what is the use of trigonometry in daily life? The answer is, first, trigonometry is used in navigation to find the distance from the shore to a point in the sea. 2. Used in finding the height of tower and mountain. 3. Used in calculating the height of seawater wave. 4. Used in measuring the height of a tree. And the last one is used in finding the distance from celestial object.
Q&A, question and answer. What are the advantages of trigonometry in life? Okay, the answer is we can measure the area and perimeter of the ground. There is a difference between area and perimeter. Area is the region occupied by a shape, while perimeter is total distance covered by the boundary of a shape. For example, the area is the region bounded by the shape of an object. The space covered by the figure or any two-dimensional geometric shape in a plane. The area of all the shapes depends upon their dimensions and properties. Different shapes have different areas. Basically, perimeter is the length of any shape if it is expanded in a linear form. Perimeter is a total distance that encompasses a shape in a 2D plane. The perimeter of different shapes can match in length with each other depending upon their dimensions. For example, if a circle is made of a metal wire of length L, then the same wire we can use to construct a square whose sides are equal in length. Second, we can measure the slope of the road. Such example, land surveyors use trigonometry and their fancy equipment to measure things like the slope of a piece of land. So we can see how far it drops over a certain distance. Lastly, we can measure the tension of a rope to withstand a load. How do you measure tension in a rope? To calculate the tension on a rope holding one object, multiply the mass and gravitational acceleration of the object If the object is experiencing any other acceleration, multiply the acceleration by the mass and add it to your first total. That's all from us. It has been a pleasure for us to speak in front of all of you. Thank you very much.